Is there anything better on a hot summer day than an ice-cold milkshake? I mean, assuming you're not lactose intolerant. The answer is, of course there is. It's called a Boozy milkshake on a warm summer night. Duh. Hello everybody, welcome back to COVID Cocktails once again. My name is John Weisbarth, and have we got a treat on the show for you today. Literally a treat, as in a dessert cocktail. And I don't mean an aperitif, or excuse me, a digestif, something that you drink after dinner. I mean like a proper dessert that just happens to have some booze in it. The question is, why that cocktail today? And really there's two answers. One, it's hot today. And I get it, I live in Southern California. We're pretty soft in Southern California. Never gets too hot, never gets too cold. But it's in the 80s with high-ish humidity, which is warm for here, okay? So it's hot, I want something cool. And the second is, probably combined with the heat, is if I'm being totally honest with you, I'm feeling a little lazy today. And the name of this cocktail just happens to be the lazy dessert. Serendipitous? Maybe. Opportunistic? Definitely. So let's get to it. This is a gin-based cocktail, okay? First, it's gin. I'm going with a Hendrick's gin today. No particular reason, just wanted to try it. Next, ice cream. And not any ice cream, but the best ice cream in the world. And I mean, look, I get it. It's a matter of opinion. And who am I to say what the best ice cream in the world is? Well, I'll tell you who. I'm the only one with a microphone right here. So let me assure you that mint chocolate chip is the best ice cream in the world. Doesn't mean there aren't other good ones. There are, just none better than mint chocolate chip. So you could actually make this as a 2-ingredient cocktail with literally just the gin and the ice cream. I'm gonna throw a little bit of Fernet Branca in here as well, because I think it's gonna add a little of that like menthol kind of thing that will complement the mint. Now, if I had mint Branca, that would be better. Or Branca menthol? I'll have to look that up. I'll put a little picture of it right in this region here of what it is. But I'm gonna use Fernet Branca. We'll see how it goes. That's it. Very straightforward. Like I said, the name of the cocktail is a lazy dessert. You know it's gonna be easy. A note about the ice cream. You're gonna want this to soften up. So I've had this out here for probably 10, maybe 15 minutes softening up, and yeah, oh yeah, that's nice and soft. You can see that, so that's good. If you just think of it, you don't have 10 or 15 minutes to waste, you can just pop it in the microwave real quick. That'll soften it right up. I need 2 ounces of the ice cream. I don't know if that's 1 scoop or what, but we'll just figure it out as we go. I do have an ice cream scooper somewhere. I never think of these things early enough. Is it in the top? Top. Not organized. We are not gonna worry about the ice cream scooper other than to check one last spot. Cheese grater, not gonna help. Fish spatula, not gonna help either. We're gonna go with the spoon instead. That's fine. All right, oh good, this is nice and soft. Okay, so that looks like 2 ounces of ice cream. Maybe more? I don't know. Look, just a bit, just in case. All right. 2 ounces of that. 1.5 ounces of the gin. Right in there. And now here's the crazy part. This is the, you could stop right there. That could be all you do right there. And maybe I'd go 2 ounces then if I was just gonna do the gin and the mint chocolate chip. The Fernet is gonna accent the mint in the mint chocolate chip. At least that's the theory. So, all right, here we go. Just a little bit of that. Yeah, I don't want to overpower it. Okay, so that goes in there. Now, it calls for a whip shake. And essentially what a whip shake is, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add about 3 little things of ice in here. Just to help, like, you know, aerate it and knock it around and mix it up better. Just to have like something hard in there. So it's not necessarily to cool it. Ice cream's cool enough, right? There it is. Just 3 things of ice. Boop, boop, boop. All right. Now, put it in here. And this is gonna be some shaking. Maybe I'll put some music on.
All right.
Probably not though,
Everybody.
because then you got to get that licensed, and that's no good. So
Come on.
we're just gonna shake. But I'll cut it up.
Here we go.
Shake.
Let's go. 4-minute finger gun. Okay. Let's go. Windows 95.
Not done. More.
Jab from the real world. Texas Instruments.
The goal with a whip shake is to shake until you don't hear the ice in there anymore, until it's totally dissolved. So, getting quieter.
Bunting in baseball.
Whew.
Turtlenecks.
I had no idea I made such an ugly face when I shook. But apparently, when you're whip shaking, you do.
It's 4-minute finger gun.
Smells good. What am I gonna put this in? This felt like a dessert glass to me. It's not the prettiest one, but as I'm looking in there, I mean, it would like go up to here. It'd be so anticlimactic. Really hit that hard, sorry. So I'm gonna put it in here. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah. Okay. I maybe should have said this at the beginning. I haven't made one of these before, so we're kind of experimenting here again. Sort of like the experimentation. All right, so just, but here's what I'm not sure of. Do I want to put ice in there also, or I don't know. Hold on, just gonna check. No ice. It also said to drink it directly from the metal tin, but that doesn't look as good on TV. So this is what we're looking at. Okay, I can definitely smell the Fernet in there, which I think is a good thing. Fernet is super powerful. It's a very strong Amaro, is what it is. And so you don't need a lot. All right, here we go. The Lazy Dessert, mint chocolate chip, gin, touch of Branca, half an ounce. Ooh, that's good. I call it Branca, by the way. It's Fernet Branca, but you know, just trying to save time. Okay, here's the deal. So the mint, I think the Fernet is overpowering the mint. It definitely complements it a little bit, but I think I need more ice cream. Mainly because I have no idea what 2 ounces of ice cream looks like. So I would add more ice cream the next time. The gin though in there with it really lightens it up. So it's not thick. I mean, you can see the viscosity, and I'll be honest, don't remember if high viscosity or low viscosity means runny or not, but again, you can look that up on your own time. The viscosity is pretty good here. Yeah, I like it. You know what? It's very refreshing. I think more ice cream is just gonna make it more better, which obviously isn't good English, but who cares? All right, guys, that's it. That's the Lazy Dessert. Real simple. It could go 2 ingredients, just the gin and the ice cream. You could add a third with the Fernet. I think it works either way. All right, cheers. Enjoy your dessert. See you next time on COVID Cocktails.
Make sure to ring that notification bell and smash that like button. See you next time.
What he said.